The EPA says, and I believe it to be true, that the air in your home is sometimes 4, 5, or 6 times dirtier or more polluted than outdoor air.
It's such a thing now. We all worry about what we eat and where the food comes from, and we worry about what we drink and where the water comes from. What about the air we breathe all the time? Even as you're sleeping. It was just really important for us to take that stress out. I don't want to think about what might be floating around in my air.
You see, houses are built very, very tight these days. As a matter of fact, some houses are like living in a plastic bag, so nothing can get out of the house. Odors, bacteria, viruses. 65, sometimes 68% of all the illnesses that you get are from the air that you breathe in.
So one sickness would typically lead to another, to another, to another, to another. And we really haven't had that problem anymore, which has been really amazing.